years ago, King Solomon, master of all the jinn, imprisoned me within that bottle. For me, this is the first moment of my new freedom. For you, this is the last moment of your life.
My life?
Your life. In a moment I shall lift my foot and crush you. Insect, beetle, worm that you are.
But Chief of Spirits, I fished you out of the sea. I opened your bottle. I let you out. You can't be so ungrateful.
Ungrateful? Slaves are not grateful. Not for their freedom. Listen. Inside my bottle for the first 1,000 years, I swore that I'd enrich the one that freed me with all the riches of the earth. But in the second 1,000 years, my imprisoned spirit turned a vengeance on all that lived and were free. And I swore that I'd kill him that freed me to satisfy that hate. Are you ready?
Wait! Please, before I die, may I ask one question?
Ask.
How comes it that you, as big as a mountain, would ever get into that bottle and hold in my hand? You weren't ever in it, really, were you?
Of course I was.
Oh, no, you weren't.
I was.
You weren't?
What? You dare doubt?
If I'm going to die in a moment, I can dare anything. And I say it's impossible.
Impossible?
And I don't believe you.
Take care.
I never shall.
Never?
Nothing can make me.
Nothing?
Nothing. Unless I see it with my own eyes.
Then, dog of an unbeliever, before you die, you shall see with me nothing is impossible. You shall see and believe.
Now, you great overblown Belge.
Let me out! Let me out!
Just because you were bigger than me, you thought you could bully.
Let me out! Let me out!
Product of inflation, descendant of extinct, let you out? I'm going to throw you back into the sea, this time forever.
Oh, no, mercy, mercy, oh master.
What's that?
Oh, great and merciful master.
Say that again.
Oh, great and merciful master, let me out and I'll grant you 3 wishes.
3 wishes?
Your first 3 wishes shall come true.
You swear?
I swear.
By King Solomon, master of all the jinn?
By King Solomon, the master of all the jinn, the oath that no spirit can break.
And you'll behave? No threatening or shouting?
No.
No what?
No, master.
And now, don't make so much noise again. You frightened me before.
Master, I hear and obey.
That's better. All bullies must learn manners in the end. I'm hungry. Can't think with my stomach empty. I wish I had some of those sausages Mother used to make.
Your sausages, master. That was the first wish, master. 2 more remain. Name them.
Don't you hurry me. I've got to be careful. 2 more. You know what I wish? Tell me, where's my friend Ahmed?
Master, to know that, you must look into the all-seeing eye.
And give me the eye.
Master, I can take you where it is, but not even I can steal it for you.
Steal? I'll see to that.
Little braggart, what have you ever stolen?
What haven't I? teeth from his mouth, ring from his finger, money from his purse, the strength of a genie,
and the tongue of a liar. But he who would steal the all-seeing eye from the very brow of the goddess must be neither a thief nor a braggart, but a hero.
I always wanted to be a hero. Come on.
Then catch on to my hair.
All right, but mind you, this is not my second wish yet. Now I'm rather helping you.
Yes, master.
Genie! Genie! I'm frightened!
A hero. All right, master?
I think so. Where are we now?
Above the roof of the world.
Has the world got a